In this recording in our series of face milling operations, we'll discuss the technology of one pass. Now, the one pass technology on the technology page has one added feature called reverse, which allows you to reverse the direction of your tool pass. Let's go into the one pass technology page and let's take a look at the options that we have. First, we have tool path modification. Right now, we have the automatic and optimal angle. This is very similar to what we have inside the hatch operation, where you can tell it to go according to the optimal angle, according to where it's sitting on the machine, the most sufficient way, or you can give it a user-defined direction that you want to work. You can write in your absolute angle of 0, 180, or whatever angle you want to work on. This is a one-pass operation. In addition, we have another option called shift from center. As it's originally based to go through the center of the part, sometimes you may want to shift it off slightly to one side, having the chips go more to one side of the machine, or having it more of a climb milling effect or a conventional milling effect, whichever you desire. But you have complete control of that as well. Extension, exactly the same as all the other operations, allowing the cutter tip to extend itself past the actual stock. Let's actually do a tool pass using this option. For that, I've also created a tool, even though it does seem a little large, that's larger than the actual part. That's also one of the issues that you should look at when using this option. I'm going to save and calculate. If I take a look at the simulation, and this time I'll use the solid verify simulation, you'll see that the tool will go down to the level that it needs to cut. You can see the distance, 10% of the tool tip before the part. It'll do one pass over the top and finish. In our next recording in this series of face milling operation, we'll talk about the option of spiral.